Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our videos. And today this video was actually part of the last video, but it just made it too long, so I decided to make it into one. I was going to delete it and not put these clips in, but I just watched it and some of the parts are a little bit funny. This is kind of me and Luis all the time. Yeah, so enjoy guys. Roll the clip.
Why are you copying the way I shake? Find your own way of shaking or mixing, stirring, whatever. Yeah. That's acceptable by California law 337.
I like my coffee to be super sweet.
She likes drinking milk pretty much because she puts 4 gallons of creamer in it.
Let me be.
You're gonna vlog yourself eating bread?
Yes, we're gonna vlog ourselves or record ourselves eating this morning. That hair dog.
Is it everywhere?
It's on the side. I think he got himself a big old piece by the time I sit down.
Yeah.
I put some condensed milk on my bread.
Dang, she letting them rip today.
Anytime, anywhere. We need more MVPs, more champions, ready to join our team, against an opponent. We do not allow team. We've got this. We've got you. Join our team. Choose kindness, shred hate. MLB.
The freak, it's hot! Oh my gosh. Super hot. Why are you gonna do that?
You mad, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna burn myself severely.
This guy.
Like that lady at McDonald's that sued him a long time ago. That's what could have happened. I can sue you.
He's gonna sue me from his own money.
No, you better work.
His own money.
Ah, burn.
There you go. There's what you pour on my feet.
Burn me. I don't want it on my milk.
He's being such a crybaby right now.
You burned me.
Babe!
There was just a commercial about bullying. Did you not watch it?
No.
We should have.
I don't bully you.
That's bullying.
That's not bullying.
That's bullying.
Where'd you get burnt?
Hair, yeah.
Where?
I like you. Go back and watch the video. Yeah.
Boy, who's eating you or the floor?
The bugs are hungry too.
I think we should do like a video of us like this eating, but like story time.
story time video?
Yeah.
Like what?
Kind of like a. It's called a mukbang or mukbang. You eat. And you just tell about stuff.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. This is good, but I don't want to drink it. I want to drink milk.
Why?
I don't know. I wish you would have drank.
My lid was not on.
I thought you did that on purpose.
Yeah, he's just waiting for me to drink it.
I wouldn't do that to you.
Yes, you would.
That's mean. I'm bullying.
I like my coffee cold. Or not cold, but not hot. I guess we'll just stop this right here. The bae's too busy watching TV.
Yeah, they're talking about my man. They're talking about Aaron Rodgers, baby. That's my man.
Aaron Rodgers is more important than me.
No, man, I'm saying you ain't with you.
No, you're gonna kiss my ear. No, you're gonna kiss my ear. So mean. Alright, well, we're gonna stop this right here. We'll get back with you. You hurt my neck.
How? What'd I do?
You really did. Ew. You're gross.
That's what happens when you bully me.
No, that's my perfect bread.
I don't care. I don't care.
Look how delicious that looks. I'm letting it soak in. You're about to ruin it. Alright, see you later. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Thank you for all the support. And just make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join us, join our journey. Make sure you comment something positive. And like we're starting to do, if you comment something positive on YouTube, make sure it's not on Facebook, make sure it's on YouTube. If you comment something positive on YouTube, then we'll try to give you guys a shout out, because you guys are the people that are motivating us to keep doing this. And to get a shout out, also you need to make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, and also hit that bell just to get notified every time we actually upload a video. And just like Ethan does it now, we'll see you guys next time. Kiwi.
Pero sé que te boté de mi vida, te boté.